Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that Earth has suddenly stopped spinning. No sunrise, no normal winds, no familiar day and night cycle. At this very moment, our planet is rotating at incredible speed. Near the equator, the surface of Earth moves at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. We don't feel it because everything around us is moving together. But what if that motion suddenly ended? Would cities survive? Would oceans remain in place? Could humanity continue to exist? Today we're exploring one of the most terrifying scientific scenarios imaginable. What would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Earth's rotation is one of the most important reasons life exists as we know it. Every 24 hours, our planet completes one full rotation, creating the cycle of day and night. This rotation influences weather patterns, ocean currents, and even the shape of the planet itself. Scientists agree that Earth cannot realistically stop spinning overnight. However, exploring this hypothetical scenario helps us understand just how important our planet's motion truly is. Let's begin with the very first moments after the impossible happens. Chapter 1. Why Earth Spins. Billions of years ago, Earth formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust. As gravity pulled this material together, the young planet began rotating. Over time, that rotation became the steady spin we experience today. Earth rotates from west to east, completing one full turn every 24 hours. This movement creates the rhythm of life that humans have depended on for thousands of years. Without rotation, the world we know would be completely different. But what happens if that motion suddenly ends? Chapter 2. The first few seconds. The moment Earth stops spinning, everything changes. While the ground suddenly comes to a halt, the atmosphere and many objects on the surface would continue moving at tremendous speed due to inertia. Powerful winds could sweep across the planet. Structures not designed to withstand such forces would face severe damage. Transportation systems would fail, communication networks would be disrupted, and countless people would struggle to understand what had happened. The first moments would be chaotic and unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. Chapter 3. The Oceans in Motion. Earth's rotation helps shape the distribution of the oceans. If the planet stopped spinning, water would begin redistributing itself across the globe. Massive waves could travel across coastlines. Many low-lying regions could face catastrophic flooding. Over time, the oceans would settle into new locations, creating a world map very different from the one we know today. Entire coastlines could disappear while new land areas emerge elsewhere. Chapter 4. Day and night transformed. One of the most dramatic consequences would involve daylight. Without Earth's normal rotation, one side of the planet could experience extended periods of sunlight, while the other remains in darkness for long periods. Regions facing the sun would become extremely hot. Areas trapped in darkness would become much colder. Agriculture, ecosystems, and human settlements would face enormous challenges adapting to these new conditions. Chapter 5. Could humans survive? Human survival would depend on many factors. Technology, engineering, and international cooperation would become more important than ever. Some regions might remain more habitable than others. Communities would need new ways to grow food, generate energy, and protect themselves from extreme weather and environmental changes. Humanity has overcome many challenges throughout history, but this would be among the greatest tests our species has ever faced. Chapter 6. A completely new Earth. Eventually, Earth would become a very different world. Weather patterns would change. Ocean locations would shift. Habitable regions could move. The familiar balance that supports modern civilization would no longer exist. Life might continue, but the planet would never be the same. Fortunately, Earth is not expected to suddenly stop spinning. Our planet's rotation remains stable, and scientists have no evidence suggesting such an event could occur overnight. Yet this thought experiment reveals something extraordinary. Many of the things we take for granted, day and night, weather, oceans, and even life itself, depend on Earth's constant motion through space. The next time you watch a sunrise or sunset, remember that you are standing on a planet spinning through the cosmos at incredible speed. And that spin makes life on Earth possible. Thank you for watching Cosmic Frontier Studios. If you enjoyed this journey through science and space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more explorations of the universe.